Would you like to learn how to add a signature to an Excel document? For example, if you have a template and need to include a signature. First, you need to take a photo or scan of the required signature and save the file on your device. After that, I will delete this signature up here. After that, go to Insert tab, choose Pictures, this device, choose required signature, click Insert. And here we can see that the background of your picture is white, so we need it to be transparent. For this, you have to go to Color and choose Set Transparent Color. Click OK and click on any background of your picture. Now you have to choose the required size of your signature and put it to the right place. It is ready. Good. Use it. Take it at your practice. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.